You spend months building your product. Then you throw a generic landing page on it and wonder why nobody converts. The page is the product for most users. Let's fix that. In this video, we are going to build this landing page for an AI writing SaaS tool. The page looks modern, minimal, and carries the high conversion vibe. To build this SaaS landing page, we are going to use two free tools, Google's Antigravity for coding and Frame of Motion for animation. Antigravity is the tool which will build the entire landing page, step by step. We just have to write the prompt and tell what I need in the website. Frame of Motion in the animation library that adds life to this landing page. Without it, the website looks static and not welcoming enough. Without any further ado, let's get started. If you haven't installed Antigravity, install it from your browser first. Click on the link in the description and download the software. You might not use Frame of Motion before. It is an open source, production-ready React library used to create smooth animations and gestures. It enables developers to easily add complex animations to React components without needing advanced CSS skills. First, set up the project. We only need to install the Next.js, Tailwind, and Frame of Motion. Go to Next.js official website, copy the installation command. Create a folder in your system, type cmd in the navigation and press enter. Paste the command and enter. Give a project name. Type Orbit AI. Follow me along and comment if anything you have missed. After Next.js installation is done, check out to the Orbit AI folder and type npm-ie framer-motion and hit enter. It will install the Frame of Motion library. Now open Antigravity in your system and open the folder you have just created. Create a folder and name it as Components. Then create a file as navbar.jsx. Then in the Antigravity agent input, type this prompt. Build the floating navbar with a blur backdrop and a scroll-aware opacity/shadow change using Frame of Motion's useScroll and useMotion value. Let Antigravity complete the navbar and wait a few minutes. Import this navbar in the main page. Now build the hero section. To create it, copy the entire prompt from the document provided in the description and paste to Antigravity. Just wait a few minutes and the hero section will be ready. If you need a different style, just tell Antigravity. Antigravity has created the hero section. Just look at how beautifully it has been made. Now let's build the features section. Copy the prompt from the document. It contains the description and requirements for each card. Paste it to the agent and send it. The feature section looks beautiful. Feature section is done. Now build the marquee section where there will be some recognizable brand logos for credibility. The logos will scroll automatically from left to right. To build this, copy the prompt from the document and paste to the agent. Antigravity has made some mistakes. Enter this prompt to fix the mistake. I want the logos to scroll horizontally from left to right. Currently, Antigravity has used SVG icons that is not looking exactly the brand logos. You can get the brand logos from websites like brandfetch.com and use in this section. The marquee section is done. Now build the pricing section. Here will be 3 cards and contain all the features available there. There will be 2 plans, monthly and annually. Copy the entire prompt from the document and paste to the agent. As I expected, Antigravity has made the pricing section. Now I want a call to action section and footer at the end of the page. Create a new agent chat and paste the prompt from the document. Just wow. This time Antigravity has exceeded my expectation. It made the CTA section and footer very beautiful. Now you may ask, how can I write the prompts for my own SaaS landing page? Very simple. You only need Claude AI for this purpose. First go to claude.ai and give it a little brief about your SaaS. For example, I want to build a SaaS landing page for a tool that helps candidates to find nearby jobs easily using AI. Please brainstorm on this and give me a section-wise requirement and description that will have high conversion and impactful copy. Also give me the design system. After Claude give you the landing page brief along with design system, build each section separately. First build the navbar. To build it, ask Claude to give the prompt to create the navbar. It will be modern and have feel like SaaS product. Now build each section like this and your SaaS landing page will be ready. We have successfully built the landing page. If you want to learn about the deployment, please click on the I button and watch the last part only. Thanks once again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one.